Hi! In front of me is Thomson TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, tap on Display section, and select Advanced. Then click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to enable or disable it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!